Before installing Revizto on Windows, ensure the required authoring tools for publishing 2D sheets and 3D models are installed and closed. When it comes to installation, publishing from authoring softwares and installing the necessary plugins are only supported on Windows devices. Plugins will be automatically installed during the Revizto installation process. iPads and tablets can have both the original mobile app and the new Revizto site app installed. Each offers unique features and tools. Revizto's system and network requirements are updated regularly and can be found in our Help Center. The performance of the Revizto application is closely tied to the hardware it operates on. When considering your project needs, it's important to be aware of both the minimum and recommended system requirements for running Revizto in order to achieve the best performance. Generally, the minimum requirements are suitable for small projects on low graphical settings, while the recommended requirements will support larger projects and higher graphical settings.